Okay, again, good morning, everybody. All right, today we're going to study how to write word problems. Okay, we're going to study how to write addition and subtraction problems. Okay, so please open your book to page 69. All right, because while we study, we are also going to write on your book. Okay, we're going to write addition or subtraction word problems and we're going to solve them. Okay. Number one, can anybody read the problem or the sentence? Who would like to read the sentence? Okay, I'm gonna call Rasa. Can you read the sentence? Come on, you can do it. Go. I will help you. Okay. Turn on your microphone, Rasa. Okay. So let's try another one. Who wants to read? Stamp, do you want to read? Stamp, can you turn on your microphone? Okay, so can you read the problem or the sentence? See, there were... Okay, I will read the first one first. There were 37 puppies in... there were 37 puppies in the pet shop. 18 of them were sold during the week. So here we have the first part of the problem. So what we're going to do is to make a question. Okay, we're going to make a question that we also have to answer. Okay, for example, we can write. How many puppies are there now? How many puppies are there now? So that we can give that question. Okay, and then we're going to find out its answer. So how to answer that? That's going to be subtraction because the number of puppies in the pet shop become less, okay? It decreased. So we're going to do 37 minus 18 is equal to blank. So what the answer will be? So we're going to subtract first 8 from 7. So since it cannot be, we're going to borrow 1 from 3. So the 3 becomes 2 and 7 becomes 17. And then 17 minus 8 is going to be 9. And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, 37 minus 18 is equal to 19. So the answer in this question is, there are 19 puppies now. Okay, so we're going to write there are, and then the number of puppies, we have 19. And then we're going to write the second part. Okay, here we can get it from the question. Since the question is how many puppies are there now, we're going to get the puppies. Okay, and then now, there are 19 puppies now. Because the question is how many puppies, we're going to answer also the number of puppies. Okay, there are 19 puppies now. Okay, remember, just remove the how many and then you can get the other part of the sentence and use it as part of the answer. Okay? Okay, when you're finished, please raise your hand. Press the raise hand button like this. Okay? Nampung and Stamp are finished already. Tofan and Smile are finished.
Teacher, I am done.
What?
I am finished.
Okay, good job. For those who haven't known yet, the page that we're going to answer is page 69. Okay. Okay, so maybe we can move on now. Okay, let's wait for Manao. And 9. Okay, Pan is finished too. Okay, let's wait for 9. And Manao and Rasta. In the next part or in the following parts, okay, I'm going to give the question and you're going to tell me the answer, okay? Okay, some of you are finished already. 9 finished? I think 9 is finished already. Manao is finished too. Okay, I think everybody's finished. Rasa, are you finished? Okay, let's wait for Rasa.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please? Teacher,
Sure, you can. Oh, Rasa is finished already. Okay, everybody finished, right? Okay, so let's move on to number 2. Okay, good job. Number 2. Okay, who can read the sentence? Um, okay, very good. Smile, can you read it? Can you turn on your microphone, please? Okay, Smile. Go on.
There are 39 birds,
29,
29 birds and
12
12
plates
pigs in the
kitchen. Okay, so there are 29 bowls and 12 plates in the kitchen. So we're going to make a question out of that statement. Okay, so what is the possible question for that? Can you think of one? Namphung, can you think of a question about it? Okay, there are 29 bowls and 12 plates in the kitchen. Can you think of something? Okay, so we can have this question. How many bowls and plates are there all together? How many bowls and plates are there all together? So what do you think is the answer? So we're going to use addition to find out the answer. We're going to plus, okay? Plus, because we're going to combine the 29 bowls and the 12 plates, okay? Okay. So if you have the answer already, you can raise your hand and turn on your microphone so you can answer, okay? Okay, so do you have the answer already? What is 29 plus 12? 29 plus 12.
Yeah.
Are you finished writing? Okay, so let's move on first to the next part. Oh, it has the answer already. Okay, when you're finished, please let me know. Okay, everybody finished? Okay, so what is the answer here? 29 plus 12. Okay, Smile. Okay, Namphung said the answer. The answer here is 41. There are 41 bowls and plates all together. So we're going to write there are, and then the number of bowls and plates, okay? That is 41. And then we're going to continue by getting some parts of the sentence. Okay, since the question is how many bowls and plates are there all together, so we're going to write there are 41 bowls and plates all together. Okay, so that is how we answer in complete sentence. Okay, when you're finished, kindly raise your hand or press the raise hand button. Okay, Namphung is finished already. Pichayapa is finished. Tofan is finished. A lot are finished already.
ถามแล้วก็ไม่เห็นใครอ่าน
Okay, is everybody finished? Let's wait for Gan.
Finish.
9.
Finish.
Okay, good job.
Finish.
Very good, Pating.
Finish.
Okay, good job. Let's wait for Tawan, Manao, and 9.
Finish.
Oh, Tawan is finished. Okay. Good job.
Teacher, finish.
Good job, Rasa. 9, are you finished?
Teacher, finish.
Okay, good job. Okay, when you're finished, we're going to move on to the next part. Finished, everybody? I think Manao is finished.
Yes.
Okay, very good. 9, are you finished?
Finish.
Okay, everybody's finished, I think. Okay, so let's go to number 3. Who can read the sentence? Tofan. Tofan, can you read the sentence? Please turn on your microphone. Okay, Tofan, can you unmute yourself? Where is Tofan? Okay, let me call another one. Jaja, can you read the sentence, please? Can you turn on your microphone? Please turn on your microphone. Okay, she's not responding. Who else? Okay, Namphung, can you read it?
There are 25 brown dogs in the pet shop. There were 15 few white dogs, then the brown dogs.
Okay, very good. Okay, so here there are 25 brown dogs and then there are 15 fewer white dogs. Okay, so what we're going to do? Of course, we have to make a question first so we can write how many white dogs are there. Since we already have the given that is that there are 25 brown dogs, but there are 15 fewer white dogs. So that means that the white dogs are less than the brown dogs. So we're going to do subtraction. So what do you think is the answer here? We're going to subtract 15 from 25. So what do you think is the answer? 25 minus 15. When you're finished, can you tell me the answer? Okay, when somebody told the answer already, I'm going to reveal the sentence. Okay, I'm going to show you the sentence. Fadia, can you tell me the answer? 25 minus 15.
Yes.
What is the answer? 25 minus 15.
10.
10. Okay. The answer is 10. So the complete sentence is, there are 10 white dogs. Okay. Since the question is, how many white dogs are there? Okay, the question is how many white dogs? So the answer should be, there are 10 white dogs. There are 10 white dogs. Okay? Okay, take your time in writing, and when you're finished, please use the raise hand button.
Teacher, finish.
Very good.
Teacher, finish. Teacher,
Very good.
finish. Finish.
Good job.
Okay, teacher,
Okay,
mana
let's wait for the
finish.
others. Anna, finish?
Finish.
Oh, very fast. Good job.
Finish.
Okay, let's wait for Rasa and 9.
Teacher.
Good job.
Finish. Finish.
Very good.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, is everybody finished? Okay, I think everybody's finished. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. We're going to do the self-evaluation that is in page 70. So please open your book to page 70. What you're going to do is only to choose the correct sentence. So we're going to read the sentence and we're going to choose what is the correct number sentence. So is it going to be plus or is it going to be minus? Okay. Number 1, Tom sold 95 tilapia and 48 snakehead fish. How many more tilapia did Tom sell than the snakehead fish? Okay, so is it going to be A or B? So you can use the chat box, okay, to say A or B, okay? For example, is it A or B? Okay, so you're going to send it in the chat box. So what do you think is the answer? Is it A or B? You can also turn on your microphone and just say the answer, okay? So who can answer? Let's try Tawan. Tawan, is it A or B?
A.
A? No? No, it's not A. What? Let's try the others. So what is your answer? Of course, if it's not A, it is going to be letter B. Okay, so we can see in the sentence the words more and than. Okay, how many more tilapia did Som sell than the snake fish? Okay, so the answer is letter B. Remember, when the question in a problem is about the difference of two numbers or amount, we're going to perform subtraction. For example, we can go back to the problem. The question is, how many more tilapia did Tom sell than the snakehead fish? Since we can see the word more and then than, okay, that is subtraction. We can also see sometimes fewer. How many fewer tilapia did Tom sell than the snakehead fish? That is still subtraction, okay? So remember that. Okay, number 2, what is the answer? Is it A or B? Anyways, in answering this part, you have to shade the circle, okay? You're going to make it darker with your pencil. Okay, number 2. There are 29 children playing on the swings and 35 children running in the playground. How many children are there in the playground altogether? So is it A or B? Let's try to call somebody. Kanumpim. Is it A or B? Oh, somebody answered. Is it Stamp? Okay, Stamp and Kanumpim said A. Okay, the answer here is letter A because we can see the word all together. Okay, remember kids, when you see the word all together, okay, the problem is most likely an addition problem. Okay, remember when we see the word all together in a question, the problem is most likely an addition problem. Okay, so that is letter A. Number 3, Julian baked 57 cupcakes. Her son gave 30 of them to his classmates. How many cupcakes does Julian have now? Is it A or B? Okay, if you want to answer, just turn on your microphone and say your answer.
B.
Okay, Nampeng said B. Sam says A. Sam says B. Okay, the correct answer here is letter B. Okay, as we can see in the problem, there is a word gave. Okay, so what happens when we see the word gave? When we see the word gave, it may mean addition or subtraction. If the subject gave something to someone, it's subtraction because the number of the things or objects that he has will decrease. But if someone gave something to the subject, it's going to be addition because he will have more of that object, right? Because he received something from others. So the subject is the main character in the problem. Okay? Alright. So number 4. 18 ducks are swimming in the pond. Another 6 ducks are walking by the pond. How many ducks are there altogether? A or B?
A.
Okay, 9 said A.
A.
Others said A too. So the answer here is letter A. As we can see the word all together. So remember what Teacher Lan said a while ago? When you saw the word all together, the answer or the problem is most likely an addition problem. Okay? Remember when you say all together, that is addition. Okay? Remember that word. So I think we're going to finish up to number 5, okay? We're gonna extend a little bit. Okay, number 5. In a stationery store, there are 80 notebooks, of which are 50 more than the diary books. How many diary books are there? Is it A or B? Is it A or B? Just turn on your microphone if you want to answer.
A.
Okay, 9 said A. Okay, somebody says A and somebody says B. But the answer here is letter A. Okay, the answer is letter A. Here we can also see the words more and than. That is more than. Okay? Remember when you see more and than, or less and than, or any word that shows comparison, the problem can be addition or subtraction. Okay? You just have to find out if the object that is being asked have increased or decreased. Okay? Okay, so that's it. We're going to have more activities in our book, but this is going to be all for today. So that's it for today. Today we studied how to make addition and subtraction problems. Okay? So there are words that we have to remember that when we see in a problem, it means addition or subtraction. But some problems has to be thought a lot or to be analyzed a lot in order to find out what we have to do. Okay? So that's it for today. I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance, and also I hope that you enjoyed this class. So that's it. Bye, everybody. You can say goodbye to your friends.
Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Bye, Nam
everyone.
Bye, Smile. Bye, Kanumpim. Bye, Rasa.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye, Panpan. Bye, Nai. Bye,
Thank you,
Manay.
teacher.
Bye. Bye, Stem. Bye, Kaje. Bye, Gan.
Goodbye.
Bye, Tofan.
Goodbye.
Bye, Tawan. Bye, Fatin. Bye, Peach. Bye. Bye, everybody.